So what is this? What are y'all up to?
She's scared here alone. I need somewhere to heal up.
No. We're not doing that. We're telling the truth here. What is this? What are y'all doing?
Trying to figure it out.
Yeah? How's that going?
A little clumsy.
I'm not surprised.
I know what you think this is. I'm scared. A widow with a baby and no future. And you're right, I am those things. But if I was looking for a man to take care of me, the 22-year-old worm on a workover crew would not be my solution. So I don't know what this is. Am I grieving? Am I avoiding it? Or did God show mercy on me and give me another love already? Envio was funny, kind to me. He bought this house, built a life. But Envio never once looked at me the way he looks at me. Not once. Ever. It's every time he looks. And I like it. So what do I do with that? Your supper's over too. Maybe we fall in love and last 50 years. Maybe next week I realize that I'm just hiding from this thing. Maybe I fall in love and all he feels is guilt. So like I said, it's clumsy. I'm gonna let it be. Thank you for stopping by. Judge me all you want from that truck. But I will not be judged in my own f***ing house.